Welcome back. The tragic suicide of actress Jiah Khan has thrown up some disturbing questions this week on just what constitutes abetment to suicide. Jiah's boyfriend Suraj Pancholi has been arrested after Jiah's mother claimed that a letter written by her daughter shows the extent of her depressed and abusive relationship with him. The question is that enough to convict him?
जिया के जॉ पर एक ब्रूस देखा था।
वो हैंग किया है तो कपड़ा जाएगा तो ब्राउन तो आ जाए। जहाँ तक मैं सूरज को जानती हूँ वो इस टाइप का लड़का नहीं है। आप दुनिया में किसी से भी आप पूछ सकते हैं।
पूरी तरह साबित हो रहा था कि उसको किसी ने मारा है।
A tell-all letter, then allegations and counter-allegations, which have led to the arrest of actor Aditya Pancholi's son Suraj, charged for abetting his girlfriend and actor Jiah Khan's suicide. The undated letter explains Jiah's unrequited love, but it gets more serious as Jiah writes of torture, abuse, rape and an abortion. Though the letter doesn't name Suraj, the police claim the evidence is sufficient.
It was her own emotional weakness that led her to this, basically, and of what I hear, a love affair going wrong, which again no man is worth giving your life, and you cannot blame that man also, because I'm sure he did not want her to do this either. Right. Love affairs go wrong, engagements break, divorces happen, but life goes on. Yeah.
Let us assume the reference is to Suraj, but still that is not sufficient, because on the day when the suicide was committed, whether the person was driven, the instigation was such, you have to look at all these factors, and merely on the basis of the letter to arrest a person is an act of harakiri.
Legal experts say there's a very thin line which defines when exactly a person can be booked for abetment of suicide. For that, there has to be evidence to show that the instigation has a direct correlation to the act of suicide. So even if Jiah's allegations against Suraj are indeed true, even then the police will still have to prove that his actions were so grave, Jiah had no other option but to commit suicide. In Mumbai with Saurabh Gupta, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.
And so what exactly is abetment to suicide? Are India's laws outdated and unfair? Is it time for change? Joining us on the program tonight, we have senior lawyer Mr. KTS Tulsi. Also with us, Ranjana Kumari, the Director for Centre for Social Research. Dr. Harish Shetty, well-known psychiatrist, joins us tonight from Mumbai. And we have Ankit Sharma, the brother of Geetika Sharma, the air hostess who took her own life last year and left a note accusing a prominent Haryana politician of harassment. Gopal Kanda has since then been under arrest. Mr. Tulsi, let's take a look at this Jiah Khan case. We are, of course, not a court. It's not for us to determine what happened and what didn't. But when a relationship goes wrong and somebody takes their life, it's very, very tragic, very unfortunate, and leaves a note and a letter that has been found, such as in Jiah Khan's case, is that enough to put someone behind bars and send them to jail for abetment?
No, I don't think so. This is perhaps completely wrongful and unjustified arrest, and it's unfortunate that the process in India, it's a process which is punishment, because it's not going to be decided for years, if not decades, as to whether somebody is rightly being tried or guilty or innocent. I think that the sine qua non for the offence of abetment to suicide is intentionally aiding or instigating the other person to commit an offence.